Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 49. Dear students, today we'll have some activity time. Count and write how many objects are there. Zubair likes animals. He has one cat. His friend Ali gave him one more cat. How many cats are there now altogether? One cat and one cat make two cats. If Ali gives him two more cats, then two cats and two cats make four cats. Write one sparrow and two sparrows make three sparrows. Write two carrots and two carrots make four carrots. Write two apples and three apples make five apples. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the concept of addition to the children by counting numbers in forward counting or counting through writing numbers. Tell them that a plus sign is added between numbers to add them and an equal symbol after them to write the total number in addition. Practically demonstrate the concept of addition by placing and adding different objects on the table, counting them over and over again. Ask the children to practice addition and tell the sum. Encourage them for their keen interest and great efforts. Thank you.